I request all of you, once again, congratulations. You are all winners, not only 3 teams, because you are evaluated from 900 students. So you are all winners. But among these, again we are going to evaluate for 3 batches. So once again, I thanks to all the faculty members and all the students and the President Professor continuously is engaging with us for 2 months. So it's only a small thing. So once again, I extend my thanks to all for your active participation. Thank you.
Working before all institutions in the matter, there is no seminar. So first of all, we would like to appreciate the team from the Greater Vision for staying here 2 months for other home interview. And when I observed that, because I am also in the group every day, the minimum number of students are very good practice, and really appreciate the coordinators and other departments for taking such care that everybody has to attend. The students are finance after that. And there was not a normal. Very good. So this is that day, so you have only one program, but the total knowledge is a long program. And our intention is to make you aware that not only the
only one project in the same workshop, but each students have done 2 projects in the same workshop. So it is not about branch related, it's about mind related. Okay? So my suggestion from my side is be hungry to learn at every time of your life. Not only in college, not only in your BTech degree.
Meeting, and we are developing a website on travelers. I think everybody in this generation are willing, are enthusiastic to travel for solo rides, family rides. They are mostly willing not by public stations. They are willing to go by bikes, cars, and enjoy with friends. For this, the most problem is for travelers is food, shelter. For this statement, to overcome this, we came to this. In this website, there will be available of where food is available, where hotels, dhabas, and restaurants, and where shelters are available. So, in this